to another Fiber Fact Friday with Greenlight Networks. My name is Jordan, and today we will go over construction and restoration. Spring is in the air, and as Earth awakens, we're excited to bring our high-speed fiber optic internet to your neighborhood so you can stream, game, and connect like never before. Greenlight is committed to building a stronger community. This includes respecting the places we call home. From intentional underground drilling to speedy restoration, we take the necessary steps to minimize disruption during construction. Within the public right-of-way, Greenlight uses directional drilling to create a path for the fiber, meaning less digging and impact on your property. Once the underground path is created and conduit placed, our restoration crew will make sure everything looks great by restoring your lawn and landscaping. They will even come back in a month or two if soil changes arise, making sure a full restoration is completed to impacted properties. Thank you for watching this week's Fiber Fact Friday.